Good morning students. In last class we discussed about the introduction to clippers and classification of clippers. In that classification we discussed the positive clippers. In the positive clippers the positive off cycle is clipped off. Today we will discuss the negative clippers. In the negative clippers the negative off cycle is clipped off or removed here. That means the output of negative clipper does not have the negative off cycle. Yes. So these negative clippers are series negative clippers and shunt negative clippers. So here nonlinear element diode is connected with the resistor in series manner. We are taking the output across the resistor. So in a shunt negative clipper, here nonlinear element diode is connected or parallel to the our output. So we are taking the output parallel to our nonlinear element or shunt to the nonlinear element diode. So it is shunt negative clipper. So in both these circuits the negative off cycle is clipped off. So here we will analyze the first series negative clipper. So here I am taking the sinusoidal signal. So the maximum positive off cycle is plus V volts and negative off cycle maximum is minus V. So the peak to peak is minus V to plus V. So this is our input sinusoidal signal. First case 1, during the positive off cycle. So we are applying the positive off cycle to our diode. So the diode anode terminal is connected to our Vi. So during the positive off cycle, this diode becomes the forward bias. So when it is forward bias, it is acting as a short circuit. So then equivalent circuit will be like this. So the diode is replaced with the short circuit. So we will get the equivalent circuit like this. So now we can write the V0 equals to output voltage V0 equals to Vi. So during the positive off cycle, whatever we applied the input, that will be appear across the output. Coming to the case 2, that means during the negative off cycle. During the negative off cycle, now the negative off cycle is applied to our anode terminal of the diode. Now the diode becomes the reverse bias. When it is reverse bias, it acts as a open circuit. So the equivalent circuit we can draw like this. So in this there is no current flowing in this circuit. So now V0 equals to 0. V0 equals to 0. So we can draw the output waveform like this. So during the positive off cycle, we can get the output and it is off state. So negative off cycle, we don't have any output. So this is 0, 5, 2, 5. Yes. So this is plus B. Clear? This is the output of the negative clipper. So here negative off cycle is clipped off. So we don't have any negative off cycle here. That means it removes the negative off cycle. So this is about the series negative clipper. For the analysis of shunt negative clipper, again we will consider the two cases. One is during positive off cycle and second one is during negative cycle. So when considering the positive off cycle, when you are applying the positive off cycle to this diode cathode terminal, then diode becomes reverse bias. So diode in reverse bias, so it is acting as open circuit. it is acting as open circuited. Now we can draw the equivalent circuit like this. This R. So when it is open circuited, there is no current flowing in this circuit. So the voltage drop across resistor is 0. So we can write V0 equals to V. So whatever we applied the input signal, that will be appeared at the output. V0 equals to Va. In case 2, that means during negative half cycle, we are applying the negative half cycle to this cathode terminal of the diode, then diode becomes positive. Diode in forward bias, it is acting as a short circuit. So when it is acting as a short circuit, then we can draw the equivalent circuit like this. So we can write V0 equals to 0. V0 equals to 0 from this circuit. So during positive half cycle, V0 equals to Vi. During negative half cycle, V0 equals to 0. There is no signal during the negative half cycle. From this we can draw the output waveform like this. So during positive half cycle, whatever we applied the input, that will be applied across the output. Negative half cycle 0, again positive half cycle. So it is looking like our half wave rectifier output. So here also we are removing the negative half cycle. So these two circuits are acting as negative clippers, and it is called series negative clipper because we are connecting the output series with the diode, and here we are connecting the output shunt with the diode. It is shunt negative clipper, it is series negative clipper. So these negative clippers are also called rectifiers. Negative clippers are also called half wave rectifier. What could be the output of half wave rectifier? Like this only. So the output of negative clipper is the same as half wave rectifier output. So negative clippers are also called as half wave rectifiers. Now we'll discuss the third type, that are biased clippers. In some applications, it is required to remove a small portion of positive or negative half cycle of the signal voltage. In positive clippers, we are removing the entire positive half cycle. In negative clippers, we are removing the entire negative half cycle. But coming to the biased clippers, we are removing the small portion of either positive or negative half cycle of the signal voltage. Here, the name bias indicates the applying external voltage to the circuit. So we are adding the external voltage to the circuit in this circuits. Here, these biased positive clippers are represented here. So this biased positive clipper circuit is series. Why? Because here we are taking output is series with the diode, and here output is shunt with the diode. So this is series positive clipper with the positive bias. That means we are applying the positive potential to the diode, and here we are applying the positive potential to the diode. So it is series positive clipper with positive bias, shunt positive clipper with positive bias. So we'll analyze the circuit first here. So here I am considering the series positive clipper with positive bias. So here considering case 1, that means input potential is less than the reference voltage. Here VR is reference voltage. So here VR is connected to the anode terminal of the diode, VI is connected to the cathode terminal of the diode. So when anode voltage is more compared to the cathode voltage, then anode becomes the forward bias. Yes. So here Vi is small compared to the VR. So this anode potential is more at the compared to the cathode potential. The diode is in the forward bias. When it is in forward bias, it acts as a short circuit. Then we can draw the equivalent circuit like this. So from this circuit diagram, we can write output voltage V0 equals to Vi. Output voltage V0 equals to Vi. Now in second case, when applied input voltage is greater than the VR reference voltage, that means cathode voltage is more compared to the anode voltage, then this diode becomes the reverse bias. When it is a reverse bias, it acts as a open circuited. When it is acting as a open circuited, then we can write the equivalent circuit diagram like this. So it is open circuited. Now from this we can write the output voltage V0 equals to VR. V0 equals to VR. So from this we can draw the output waveform. So now we are applying the input signal like this. So here VR is positive. Here I am representing VR. This is my VR. This is my B. Yes. When VI. When VI is less than VR. So VI is less than VR. That means up to this point. So what could be the output? VI. So whatever we applied input, the same will be applied across the output. So we will get the output like this. Get the output like this. So when it is greater than the VR, Vi equals to V0 equals to VR. So V0 equals to VR, and it is. So when it below the VR value, we will get the output. Again it is flipped up. Yes. So we are removing this part. We are removing small part of positive off cycle. So this part is clipped off. This part is clipped off. So below the VR, that means when we are connecting the input voltage signal below the reference voltage, output V0 equals to Vi. When it is greater than the VR voltage, then output voltage equals to VR only. So it will not exceed more than the VR. So this part will be clipped off. This part will be clipped off. So this is similarly shunt positive clipper analysis. So again case 1, Vi is less than VR. Vi is less than VR, then this diode is in reverse bias. It is acting as open circuited. We can draw the equivalent circuit like this. The output equivalent circuit like this. So from this we can write V0 equals to VA. V0 equals to Vi. So because there is no current flowing in the circuit, so drop across this resistor is 0. V0 equals to Vi. And case 2, Vi is greater than VR. So diode in forward bias, it is acting as short circuit. When it is acting as short circuited, then we can draw the circuit diagram like this. This is V naught, this is Vi. So from this we can write V naught equals to Vr. So again the output waveform becomes like this only. Yes. So when Vi is less than Vr, so it is open circuited. So whatever we apply, V naught equals to Vi. So we applied like this, we will get here up to this point. When Vi is greater than Vr, then it is forward bias and short circuited. We will get the V naught equals to Vr. So V naught equals to Vr. So when it is exceeds the Vr value, so we will get only Vr only. So when input voltage is more than the Vr, so we will get output equals to Vr only. Again, Vi is less than the Vr value, so whatever we applied input, we will get like this only. So we are clipping the small amount of positive off cycle. We are not clipping entire positive off cycle. We are clipping the only small amount of positive off cycle. So it is called biased positive clipper. It is called biased positive clipper. Similarly, same biased positive clipper with reverse polarity of battery voltage. So previous we applied the positive bias, now we are applying the negative bias. Yes, series positive clipper with negative bias. This one is series positive clipper with negative bias. This one is shunt positive clipper with negative bias. So again analysis of first circuits. So series positive clipper with negative bias. So again I am considering case 1 as Vi is less than Vr. Vi is less than Vr, that means input voltage is connected to the cathode terminal of the diode and this Vr is connected to the anode terminal of the diode. So when Vi is less than, here Vr is nothing but minus Vr. So when Vi is less than Vr, so that means again diode in, that means anode potential is more compared to the cathode potential. Diode in forward bias and it is acting as short circuited. Then we can draw the equivalent circuit like this. So from this we can write equivalent output V naught equals to Vi. V naught equals to Vi. And in case 2, Vi is greater than Vr. Vi is greater than Vr, then cathode potential is more compared to the anode potential, then diode in reverse bias, it is acting as a open circuited. Then we can write the equivalent circuit like this. So here no current is flowing in the circuit, then we can write the output voltage V naught equals to, so there is no current flowing in the resistor, so whatever we applied here reference voltage, that is the output voltage. So V naught equals to minus Vr value only. From this we can draw the output waveform. So this is my input sine signal and this is my reference voltage VR. This is my reference voltage. So in first case Vi is less than VR. So Vi is less than VR, that means below the reference voltage. So this portion, what will be the output? Whatever we applied input, that will be the output. So we applied this part, so we will get this kind of output. Yes, when it is greater than the VR, Vi is less than VR, that means below the reference voltage, the output is Vi only. So this is the below the reference voltage. Here it is our VR. So below the reference voltage means this value only. So this value will be available at the output, and Vi is greater than VR, this part. So this is above the VR. So in this case V naught equals to minus VR. So we will get this kind of output waveform here. And coming to the next circuit, shunt positive clipper with negative bias. So in the shunt positive clipper with negative bias, that means shunt positive clipper, but we are applying the negative bias. We are connecting the negative terminal of the battery to the cathode terminal of the diode, and input is connected to the positive terminal of the connected to the anode terminal. So here first case we are considering the Vi is less than VR. Vi is less than VR, that means input voltage is below the reference voltage. So that means this Vi is connected to the anode terminal of the battery, anode terminal of the diode, and VR is connected to the our cathode terminal of the diode. Yes, so now cathode potential is more compared to the anode. Now the diode becomes reverse bias. Diode becomes reverse bias, and it is acting as open circuited. So and it is acting as open circuited. So we can draw the equivalent circuit like this. So we can write from this V naught equals to output voltage V naught equals to what we can write. So there is no current flowing in this circuit, there is no voltage drop across this resistor. So V naught equals to Vi. V naught equals to Vi. And coming to the case 2, Vi is greater than VR. So when Vi is greater than VR, then we can say diode in forward bias. Diode in forward bias, it is acting as short circuited. And we can draw the equivalent circuit like this. So this is Vi, this is V naught. So from this V naught equals to minus VR only. V naught equals to minus VR. So from this we can draw output waveform. This is our input signal, yes, and it is our reference voltage minus VR. So when it is Vi is less than VR, Vi is less than means below the reference voltage, this part. So this part will appear in the output, and Vi is greater than VR. So when Vi value is greater than the VR value, this part, when you are applying this part, what happens? So diode is forward bias and it is acting in short circuit. So output voltage V naught equals to minus VR only. So when you are applying the more than the VR voltage, so we will get this kind of output. So this will be our output, same as like this one only. This is about the bias positive clipper with reverse polarity of battery. Next we will discuss the biased negative clippers. Thank you.